Welcome back to Walker's Wild. Today we're out by the horse stables just off of Avery Creek Road. I'm gonna pedal up Clawhammer and then we're gonna hit upper and then go down the Avery Creek Trail. Let's get out and get it. Just a reminder to everybody who may have forgotten or hasn't ridden it before, but Clawhammer Road really sucks. That never gets any easier, man. I keep thinking it's gonna be flatter the next time I come up here. All right, made it to the top of Clawhammer. We'll start on the staircase here at upper, and I'm not even gonna pretend like I'm gonna ride up that. Oh, continue on to upper. There's a nice little cabin over here to the right. Little three-sided cabin right there. Keep on moving. But I'm sure it's a nice place to camp if you're doing a hiking trip or bike packing trip. Right on top of the mountain here, it's beautiful. The overlook here. And the camera never will do this justice. I didn't know the trail, man. I wish I knew the trail a little better. Big drop there. I remember that one. There we are. Heck yeah. Made it.